Welcome to Pass Your Class CLEP Test Prep. I'm here today to walk you through some authentic principles of microeconomics CLEP exam practice questions. This 90-minute test consists of approximately 80 multiple-choice questions designed to award college credit equivalent to a semester-long introductory microeconomics course. At Pass Your Class, we've been the trusted resource for students pursuing college credit through CLEP examinations for over a decade, maintaining an impressive 98% pass rate among students who utilize our proven study materials. Today we'll examine challenging microeconomics questions that test your understanding of market structures, supply and demand dynamics, and statistical concepts used in economic analysis. These fundamental principles are crucial for understanding how individual markets and firms operate. Let's dive in. When a company produces a similar product as a competitor, it is called A. Monopolistic competition. B. Oligopoly. C. Monopoly. D. Monarchy. E. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Monopolistic competition. This market structure features many firms selling differentiated products that are similar but not identical. Companies differentiate their products through branding, quality, features, or service to create some degree of market power, even while competing with similar products. Think of restaurants, clothing stores, or coffee shops. Each offers products that serve the same basic need, but with unique characteristics that appeal to different consumers. This differs from perfect competition where products are identical, oligopoly where few firms dominate, and monopoly where one firm controls the entire market. Monopolistic competition allows firms some pricing flexibility while still facing significant competitive pressure. Key concept: a downward sloping demand curve due to product differentiation. A shoe store is in competition with another shoe store in the area, and it goes out of business. As a result, they are able to make a left shift in their supply curve. This means they A. Have a one-week shoe sale. B. Decrease the price of all their shoes. C. Raise the price of all their shoes. D. Both A and C. E. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Raise the price of all their shoes. When a competitor goes out of business, the remaining shoe store faces less competition. This gives them more pricing power. A leftward shift in the supply curve indicates a decrease in supply at each price level, which typically leads to higher equilibrium prices. With one less competitor, the remaining store can capture some of the departed competitor's customers and doesn't need to compete as aggressively on price. This reduced competitive pressure allows them to increase prices while maintaining or even growing their customer base, especially given demand inelasticity in localized markets. This is a classic example of how market structure changes affect pricing decisions. Fewer competitors generally lead to higher prices and increased profit margins for remaining firms. The center or middle number in a distribution is A. Mean. B. Average. C. Mode. D. Median. E. None of the above. The correct answer is D. Median. The median is the statistical measure that identifies the middle value in a data set when the numbers are arranged in ascending or descending order.
If there's an odd number of values, the median is the exact middle number. If an even number, it's the average of the two middle numbers.
This differs from the mean, which is the mathematical average of all values and is sensitive to outliers, and the mode, which is the most frequently occurring value. In economics, understanding measures of central tendency is important for analyzing income distribution, market prices, and other economic data. The median is particularly useful because it's not affected by extreme values or outliers, making it a valuable tool for understanding typical economic conditions, like the U.S. median household income of $74,580 in 2022. Wonderful work completing these principles of microeconomics CLEP practice questions. You've just explored key concepts that form the foundation of microeconomic theory. These questions represent only a small portion of the comprehensive microeconomic content you'll encounter on the full CLEP exam, which covers basic economic concepts, individual markets, production costs, and market structures. For complete preparation, Pass Your Class provides detailed study guides featuring hundreds of practice questions, economic models, and clear explanations to help you master the analytical tools economists use. Visit PassYourClass.com today to access your Principles of Microeconomics CLEP study materials and join the successful 98% of students who pass their CLEP exams using our comprehensive preparation system. Thank you for studying microeconomics with us, and we're confident you'll achieve excellent results on your CLEP examination.